A somber scene this morning as the body of one of the agents was transported from the shooting scene to the medical examiner's office in Fort Lauderdale. A motorcade of law enforcement officers escorted the ambulance in a show of respect. The two agents who needed to be hospitalized were taken to Broward Health in Fort Lauderdale. CBS 4's Joan Murray is there live with the latest. Joan.
Well, we do not know too much about their condition. The FBI is only saying that the two agents remain here at the hospital in stable condition. And one of the agents who did not survive was taken from here in a moving ceremony. As word trickled through law enforcement of the deadly confrontation in Sunrise, FBI agents and officers rushed to the emergency room at Broward Health. Late morning, officers saluted as a flag-draped body of one agent was taken by police escort to the Broward Medical Examiner's office. Early afternoon, the FBI confirming Special Agent Dan Elfin and Special Agent Laura Schwarzenberger were killed executing a search warrant.
We work very hard investigating these crimes to try to solve them as quickly as possible. These are violent criminals.
Special Agent Schwarzenberger had been with the FBI since 2005. CBS 4 spoke with her in 2013 about a Brinks robbery. She often did interviews dealing with crimes against children.
Sextortion is a form of sexual exploitation in which a perpetrator uses coercion to obtain sexual images or videos, money, or even sex from the victim. And a victim can be an adult, it can be a teenager, or it can be a child.
Dan Elfin was an agent since 2009. He focused on catching cyber criminals preying on children. Broward Sheriff Gregory Toney, a former Coral Springs police officer, said in a statement, "This morning, our fellow FBI law enforcement brothers and sisters suffered an unimaginable tragedy while protecting our community. These brave agents work to keep people safe from predators and criminals. Today, two of these courageous souls lost their lives. We offer our deepest condolences for the agents who were killed and our healing prayers for those who were wounded." Schwarzenberger, who often spoke at Rockaway Middle School in Miami at their legal studies and forensic class, was being remembered on social media. "Rest in peace, Laura," someone wrote. "Thank you for your service." And a short time ago, one of the bodies of one of the FBI agents killed was transported to the Fred Hunter Funeral Home in Broward by police escort. And services are yet to be announced for that agent. What we do know is that one of those agents killed was from Coral Springs. She was a mother of two, and Dan Elfin, the other agent, has deep ties to the law enforcement community here in South Florida. Reporting in Fort Lauderdale, Joan Murray, CBS 4 News.